Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap a Gamersupps Waifu Cup with vinyl in order to protect the artwork. So to do this, you're going to need three things. You're going to need a Waifu Cup. We have the Grizzy one here today. You're going to need a pair of scissors. And you're going to need a sheet of this this vinyl, this plastic stick vinyl, whatever you want to call it. I got this off of Amazon. I got like 10 sheets for like $9. Link is in the description. I'm not an Amazon affiliate or whatever. I'm not trying to show you a product. This is just a product that works, and I'm not smart enough to be an Amazon affiliate. But yeah, this stuff works. This stuff works great. I think I've wrapped like God knows how many cups. At least like 30 with this stuff. This stuff's great, trust. You'll notice it has little squares on the back. The squares on the back we're going to be using to measure how big we need the cutout vinyl to be to cover the artwork. So I have these little templates here. I think these are like the oldest templates I have for cutting out stuff on the vinyl, because it's basically all the artwork's basically the same size. So if we look at this one right here is 10 by 8 in order to cover the actual artwork itself. And then this little guy right here is, what is it, 5 by 7 in order to cover the Gamersupps logo back here. Some cups don't have the Gamersupps logo on the back. Some of them just have artwork on both sides. So in that case, you would do 2 of these. I don't even think you need to cover the Gamersupps logo with one of these. I just like to anyway, just to be careful. But anyways, I've yapped way too much so far for a tutorial. But yeah, I already have some templates cut out, or not templates. I already have some vinyl cut out for this. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna take it out of the bag here. We have the Waifu Cup, and one thing I would recommend doing before you do anything is taking off the barcode on the bottom, because it comes off really easily before you wash it, before you do anything with it. Right out of the bag comes off really easily. After you wash it, after you do stuff, it will be a sucker to come off. And before I apply the vinyl, I always like to just kind of rub it off. Just, you know, make sure there's no excess anything on there. Make sure it's all nice and good. Now, when it comes to applying the vinyl itself, I like to do it left to right. I find that to be the most effective way of doing this. It keeps wanting to roll away. So we're going to start on the side here, the long way, and we're going to take out roughly a square's length. Just going to kind of do it like that. Take like roughly a square, maybe 2 squares length, and then fold it back like that. So that way a little bit of the stick of the vinyl is exposed. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take the cup, and then we're going to do like this. Also, I didn't do it because I didn't do it for the video because I had already done it. But do make sure before you, I would recommend before you take the vinyl off, before you have the sticky part exposed, I would recommend holding up the cutout against the artwork in order to make sure you cut it right, because very occasionally, not often at all, very occasionally the Gamersupps artwork is like a little bigger, a little smaller, and you might want to adjust how big your vinyl cutout is. I should have mentioned that earlier, but yeah, that's also a thing. So we're going to do this. We're going to make sure it's... Can you see that? Yeah. See how it's good on this side? The side that has no stick exposed. And then I'm going to hold this up to the light really quickly. So yeah, held that up to the light just to make sure everything looked good. It's covering all the corners. You can hold it like this because it's not sticking, so that way you can double check it. And now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a finger and you're going to want to put down on the middle. Start in the middle and then go out. And then middle... and go out. Middle and go out. Just like that. Smooth. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this. We're going to take the back here. This little fold out piece. You're going to pull that out a little bit, so that way a little bit more vinyl gets exposed. And then now, we have a little bit more vinyl to work with. So now, you're just going to slowly in, out. In, out. I know you can't see that very well, but just in, out. In, out. In, out. You just keep doing that. In, out, in, out. In and out. Make sure you get all the way down. The vinyl will fall off like that, and once it falls off, I recommend just going straight up the middle, and then go outside like that. And then do the same thing with the other side. Go out like that. Just like that. Voila. Then you might have maybe have an air pocketer around there somewhere. This one was done perfectly. There's no air anywhere. Can you see that? There it is. Yeah. Doesn't even look like there's anything on there. But yeah, just like that. Focus. Focus. There we go. All right, so now Gamersupps logo. We're going to do the same thing, just smaller scale. Going to go left to right. So peel the side off a little bit there. Put that down. I'm going to do that. Place it over, make sure it's all lined up again, and then go straight down the middle, then out, middle out. Pull it back again, and then middle out, middle out, middle out. Just like that. Just like that. Doesn't even look like there's anything on there. And again, you might have to rub some air out. You might have to, there may be a little bit there, but it will protect the artwork. Even if there is a little crinkle in there, I've messed up wraps before and there's been like little crinkles in and around there, but it will protect the artwork no matter what. You can, I wouldn't recommend doing it, but you can peel off the vinyl. Like if you mess up and you're like, oh, I got to fix that. You can peel it off with the newer cups especially. I definitely wouldn't recommend it on older cups because how they put the artwork on it was different. It was less protected back then. It's a little bit more protected now. But I think you can peel it off. I would not recommend doing it. I've seen one person peel the vinyl all the way off the artwork and it not damage it. I wouldn't do that. I would rather just have a few wrinkles, but I have seen it happen before. You can peel it off without damaging the artwork. But I don't because I'm way too paranoid. I just don't want to damage the artwork. But yeah, this works. Again, the vinyl is in an Amazon link in the description. You can go get it. Works great. Protect the artwork on the cups because, yeah, it's awesome artwork. Protect it. Awesome. That's it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.